team is here to thank you all. Already the celebration has begun, and you'll know why it is. We've hit the milestone 1 lakh subscribers and 20 million viewers.
Thank you so much for subscribing and all the love.
Thank you for subscribing.
Thanks for subscribing.
Thank you everyone.
Thank you for subscribing.
Thank you for subscribing.
Thank you for subscribing.
Guys, thank you for subscribing.
Hey guys, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for subscribing.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you for.
Thank you for subscribing to Bonito Design.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Romma Nandri.
Thank you for subscribing. You are awesome.
ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Guys, thank you so much for subscribing. The first person to start this is Mr. Sameer.
Thank you.
And he started the videos. It went on really well. And then we didn't have a cameraman. Then he had to quit that hosting job and get into the cameraman's job. And that's when the heroine entered. That's Vats, you all know. So she came into the picture and she started hosting and she got a lot of fan followers. Am I right?
Yeah.
Yes, there's still people who ask the comments, where's Vats, where's Vats, we're missing Vats. So,
Nobody's missing me, huh?
no, actually, you have fans. Yeah, Sameer also has fans, but those are all girls. But definitely Vats has her own, guy followers and fans. So that's when she entered the picture. So let's.
It is the ladies who watch the videos, right?
No, we have
No, it's men
equal
who
balance. Men who watches a lot. So let's hear from them first, and then later it goes to the new generation. Okay, let's talk to Sameer. So how was your experience? How did you do the videos back then? And your difficulties, your happiness, everything.
camera stuff.
Yeah, exactly.
I think the credit goes to the viewers. I feel that there must be at least one viewer who might have been watching from day one and even now. And thank you more than anyone else. And then also thank you to everyone who has just added to the count, and we have been able to achieve such a big number right now. But back then I think it was just one simple thought that in this particular industry not many people are open with sharing as to what happens in the back end. And immediately in 3 months of business that we did, we were able to recognize that people really do not understand, or people do not have a credible source of information as such. And that's when we thought that, why not just take a camera and just go around the site?
Yeah.
Because a site is where you cannot actually put lights and beautify things.
Yes, it's
It has to be raw, and it will be raw, and it will be as it is. It could be good, it could be bad, but it is what it is.
Yeah.
And I think that was the basic idea, and it was hard for us to pay for the DSLR back then. We couldn't buy a full frame. We had to go for a smaller one, and for some reason I was able to convince everybody that we need a camera, and then we got a camera. And for almost 4 months we didn't have the Steadicam. So those were the days. Somebody had to hold the camera. And me and Bharat used to exchange camera. Whenever Bharat was there, it was lucky that I used to get to post. But whenever it was not there, I had to take like n number of shots to get her to. So all the videos of her that you see on the website or on the channel, if the video is about 8 minutes, then you can easily say that it's a shoot of about 2.5 hours. It was really fun because we not only did the interiors, not only spoke to the customer, but it was a very fulfilling experience to go back there and then explain what we made with our own hands, and then shoot it and then host it on YouTube, and then read what people thought about it. So all in all, it was quite organic. There was no brilliancy in the idea. It is just that we had the courage to put up what we actually had. Not portray that okay, this is extremely good, or beautified, put up some backlights and stuff like that. No, we just knew that okay, if we can just deliver that transparency to people who connect with us will eventually turn towards us. And I think even now it holds true. If somebody was to look at the first video and then look at the video that we have posted now, probably they'll find the difference. We still get a lot of negative comment, but that's fine. I mean, someone who is able to see things clearly, they can see that things have not been the same. It's been an upward journey, and we have gone from 1 subscriber to 1 lakh. So that means that all of you love what we do here. I think that's all it boils down to, and I think we should ask Vatsala how she felt doing something that she never
There
used
is
to
not
do.
even one second where I have not scolded Samir after the shoot. Repeating me like 100 times, repeat this, I want this like this. And after one point of time, since I was also handling the customer face, every time everybody used to come back asking, I saw your face in the YouTube. It was like more for me a booster, and I don't know what energy I was getting. I wanted to go for the shoot again. Because the convincing was so easy for me. They're seeing me in the video also, they're seeing me in the designing also. Like after one point of time, everybody wanted me in the designing, and that is when I decided.
Celebrities in yes.
That is when the new generation has come in. Otherwise, yeah, it was a wonderful journey, and I'm really thankful to all the customers, because there is not even one day where the shooting will end by 8 p.m. because
true.
they have extended their timeline by 11 p.m. and when we go there, we will spread and consume their house like our house, and we keep our camera stuff there and we use their bedroom.
We tell them
change
to
them to
go
change the
into
bed
this
spread. We change their pillow covers.
We in silence, don't talk.
Yeah.
And I tell
All
the
the
babies not to
customers
cry.
have been really sweet with us and patient with us, and most of the time even they wanted to talk, and that is the best part of this particular YouTube channel, wherein people genuinely share their experience. There is no woodwinking about this is what you need to talk. They are open to talk.
I think
what
with the
they want to
customers,
talk.
they deserve the most thank you, because they let us in their private space, and then they let us create a mess out of this place. We are there in the shoot.
At times, yeah.
I think
Literally, when I
everybody-
open the wardrobe, I used to open the wardrobe and do like, for example, sometimes it's organized, sometimes it is not, and then I used to fold the clothes. And
we have messed with customers stuff a lot, and a big thank you for all the customers as well.
And they would recommend us so many customers in the end, and I just can't forget that happiness in their faces because their house is coming in the YouTube.
Yeah.
That smile is like worth a million. Thanks to all the 20 million views and 1 lakh subscribers, guys.
Yes. So after that, we had not lot of money, but yes, we got money.
Just to clarify, we still have done a lot of
to have a separate YouTube channel, hire hosts, hire cameramen and all that. So that's when Sagar came into the picture. So he is.
They actually hijacked him from a shooting spot. That's the story behind how Sagar is here.
So this is the person who captures us and portrays beautifully the house, the interiors, everything. So big thanks for you. And how do you feel about this beautiful achievement?
I feel very proud actually right now. Like when I joined, it was like somewhere around 8,000 subscribers. And now imagine it's touched 1 lakh. So yeah, so it's a really proud moment for me. And thanks to you guys. Like we used to tell you guys, in the end of the video, thank you, or we should ask you guys for subscribing.
Yeah, I've been irritating everyone probably in the starting and the ending. Please subscribe to our channel, comment below, share, like.
So for sure, you'll have an episode on bloopers, and I have all the stuff which they make
The
mistakes.
fun that we had in the set and a lot of mistakes, lot of retakes. So everyone has made mistakes, and that'll be fun to watch.
Soumya, I'll be very soft cornered to you, right?
Oh really? This guy looks really soft.
Yeah.
Definitely not soft. He's so harsh, and he's such a rude cameraman, I can say.
I think it needs to be.
Yes.
Correct.
Yeah. That is there.
Madam,
So-
it's difficult to be a director and cameraman at the same time.
that is there. So I would like to say thank you. And then later, Minnie comes into the picture. So this is Miss Minnie. I need not introduce her. So Minnie, How was your experience hosting?
So mine was first time experience being in front of the camera. It was really heartful journey for me in the beginning. But then right now at this moment I feel that our hard work, like chasing the clients for shoot and late night shootings, everything got paid off.
And then she was so generous to give her post to me later. So
After having worked on it for months. Huh?
yeah, after working so much on hosting, she gave her post to me. Thank you. So then I can come into the picture. So I had already faced camera before I was into small screen, and then this was a little difficult because this is completely a different industry.
I remember one day
interiors.
taking proper class of Soumya about technicalities. Like,
Oh shit, I was almost hearing the same. I don't think so this is going to work out. Let me get back to my serials. But then yeah, it's been a great journey. It's almost been 8 months in Bonito. It's such
I
a
must really
wonderful.
thank Soumya because it's really hard to pick up the technicalities. The speed at which you picked, nobody could have picked.
That's because of you, ma'am. Because of you and your class. And you're nice. She's like, you have to learn tomorrow. I'm going to give you a test. If you don't score 80%, you are fired. Okay? Right, I'll do it.
Why did you fire her?
During the shoot, okay. Second shoot, if you don't give it right, we will fire you.
Yeah, explain. And here is Miss Kavya. She is our lead,
Yeah.
and every count, every likes, every subscribers, she's the one who questions us. Why is this here? Why is this comment?
Yeah, every week on a Tuesday.
Oh yeah, every Tuesday. yes.
4 hours.
And that's
Extended
normally meetings. It'll go on. How long does your meeting go on for? Like
How long your meeting you mean?
No. So ours is just 4 to 5 hours.
Minimum.
5 hours. Yeah. So
Hardly half an
No,
hour.
we get better. Last week it was 3.5 hours.
yeah. So thank you, Kavya. Oh God, almost we'll be like okay, we'll be passing. But yeah, she's been a great sport. So today, Bonito team is here to thank you all.
Thank you.
Everything is because of you, your views.
Your support.
Yeah, your support, love. Thank you so much.
Take 2. Again, take 2.
Yeah.
No, I have another thing to add. I mean, one thing that we probably don't realize here is, so it's not just about Bonito being an interior design company and that we're in the space of making money out of interiors that we do. It's also the fact that, I mean, the YouTube channel has changed that perspective for a lot of us.
Yes.
Because there are calls that we receive. So since I closely work with the YouTube team, but I also work with the CRM team and I get to meet a lot of customers. What we see typically is people calling us from Mumbai, Indore, Kolkata, talking to us about how they've been following our channel, they've been watching a lot of our videos. So it gives us a very different perspective that hey, it's not just a portfolio that we're putting out, but there are people who are actually fans and they love what we do and they watch it religiously. So I randomly get to meet my cousin, and she tells me about how her husband comes home to show her the video that we've done. Okay, and she didn't know that I was working for Bonito. That itself is a proof for me of, there are so many people out there who admire what we do, and that gives us like tremendous encouragement to keep doing much better. It's like a yardstick, every month and month when we look at the work that we put out, it's like a yardstick for us to measure, so how far have we gotten and what else can we do better, so yeah, thank you.
We are open for your feedback, guys.
Yeah, please comment.
I think it's for you to tell us what we should do next because all we have been doing mostly is put up our work, but I'm pretty sure that most of you have so many things that you want to share or say, and probably things that you would like us to do, as a company or as bunch of people who are in this space. I think it's for you to tell us that why don't you explore this, or why don't you do that, or why don't you do this, and probably that will definitely help us in steering our way further. And I think this feels just like the beginning for us.
And to add on a point, right? I think we are the only interior design company who have 1 lakh subscribers. Like I don't see.
At least in India, definitely. Yes, video.
For sure, like no in India.
Yeah.
I don't think so. Any interior firm has these many subscribers and this many love. See, I equally evaluate number of subscribers to number of so there is
if you just comprehend it, you think about it, you post a video
Yeah.
and there are 1 lakh people
Yeah.
who get updated.
Yeah.
I mean, they literally see your
Exactly,
video
no?
being updated. And those are-
So everything is because of you guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Keep supporting. Keep subscribing. And
again,
keep sharing.
Yeah, if you like this video, please do like. Yeah, okay. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, like, comment, and share.
That's too long.
Okay.
Okay, make it simple.
Okay.
Subscribe. Just say subscribe.
If you love this,
Subscribe, comment and share.
yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
Everyone.
Okay, I think
Thank you.
if you like this video,
See, this is how we plan.
so if you like this video,
Do like, comment.
comment, share.
No, we
subscribe.
will all say thank you all. You say like, subscribe.
They already like our video, that's why they're watching it.
Okay, guys, we all love you. Thank you so
We
much for
love
your
you.
love. And do subscribe, share, like, and comment
Comment.
below. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.